Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a Thrive Market unboxing because I have a whole bunch of stuff, and these are actually products I mainly have not talked about on here before, and I want to share them. Also, please bear with me. I am using a brand new camera, and this camera does not have a flip screen, so hopefully I'm in focus. So anyway, I should have clearer videos, better quality. I'm using new software to edit too, so please bear with me through this transition period because I'm not a very techie lady. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. So my first product, I'm really excited about it, and I probably shouldn't be this excited about a reusable bag. This is a Stasher silicone bag. So this is the 1 quart size. I got this because I'm starting to cook sous vide. So during Amazon Prime Day, I bought a Joule sous vide machine, and I love it, and I will be talking more about it on my channel in the next few months. But if you do sous vide cooking, you need to use a lot of plastic bags. So I have my, handy dandy food saver behind me, and I use that and I love it. But I just kind of don't like throwing away all that plastic when I sous vide. So I heard about using reusable silicone bags for that. And since Thrive had the smaller size Stasher bags, I thought I would pick it up just to test it out. Amazon does have the bigger Stasher bags, so I do plan on getting one of those. But I just wanted to test out the quality of the small ones before I bought the big ones, because I think the big ones are like 20 bucks. This I think was about 8. So, anywho, shall post back about that later. My next product is this Sir Kensington pizza ranch sauce. So yeah, it's like if you get pizza, like a takeout pizza, and they have ranch dressing in like the little containers. I saw this and I thought, okay, yeah, that's great. My husband and I have been trying to figure out a gluten-free pizza crust recipe. We have been known to go to our local Papa Murphy's and get their gluten-free pizzas, which are really, really freaking good. I recently bought some Udi's gluten-free crusts, and I've got a couple other mixes coming. Actually, I just made another Thrive Market order this morning. But anyway, I saw this and I was like, that sounds really good. But I'm a little bit concerned because it doesn't look like ranch. It doesn't look like a ranch dressing. It looks like Italian salad dressing. So hopefully that's tasty. I don't know. Couple face products here. So I've been really trying to clean up my skincare routine. Just use like non-toxic products, just fewer toxic things. Like I still have my certain toxic products that I love, but I'm really trying to clean up my act when it comes to beauty products. So I got a cleanser and a moisturizer, both from this Everyone brand, and they also go by like EO, Everyone. So this is their face for everyday cleanse. So we'll try that. It says a gentle everyday cleanser made with hibiscus and aloe extracts and pure essential oils. Leaves skin clean, fresh, and bright. I also use the Everyone, the EO brand body wash and body lotion, which I'm going to show you in just a second because I just ordered another one. I also picked up the Everyone face moisturizer, and this has a light, easily absorbed, ageless moisturizer with argan oil, carrot extract, and pure essential oils. Hydrates, protects, and reduces visible fine lines. Leaves skin soft, smooth, and radiant. So these guys are both 8 ounces. These were super affordable. I want to say like $7 or $8 each. And like a skincare product that big, that's pretty affordable. Speaking of this Everyone brand, this is the body lotion I've been using recently, and I love it. I mentioned this in actually my last Thrive Market haul. I had picked up one of these to keep in the bathroom when my in-laws came. So obviously after they left, I just started using it, and it's great. So it's fragrance-free, doesn't smell like anything. Everyone lotion, 3-in-1 hands, face, and body. I will sometimes use this on my face, and my face is totally fine with it. I love it because it does not have a scent. I find that I have become very sensitive to smells, so I try to buy fragrance-free stuff as much as I can. All right, next, a couple supplements. This one I have mentioned a couple times on here, well, at least once. I think I actually did it in my last video. This is the Solare Magnesium Glycinate, and it's 400 milligrams, but actually it's 400 milligrams if you take 4 of them. And I do take 4 of them every night. So yeah, got that. I also have been taking this supplement for the last few months, and I find it really helps me sleep, and it also just keeps me calmer. This is 5-HTP. This is from the brand Jarrow Formulas. Yeah, there's 60 in here. I take one of these every night alongside with my magnesium. Okay, this is another product I'm really excited about, and I love these. I have not actually tried this brand, but for I would say the last couple years, almost last 2 years, I have been using these wool dryer balls instead of using like fabric softener sheets. So I lost one. Like I bought a 3-pack at Bed Bath & Beyond a couple years ago, and I was gone for a few days, and then I came home and my husband had done laundry and he magically lost one. So I don't know where the third one is. So now I only have 2. Plus they were getting old, so I wanted to order a new box. So anyway, I saw that Thrive Market had them, so I picked up another box. So this is by the Molly's Suds brand. So I don't know about this brand, but basically they just look like this. Just like woolen dryer balls. And it says, save time and money. It's up to 1,000 loads. And I think this was 15 bucks. So, I mean, 1,000 loads worth of drying. I don't know. Can you buy dryer sheets for cheaper than like 15 bucks? I don't know. But also love those because they're fragrance free. It's just wool and it's not putting any like weird chemicals into my clothes and giving me crazy allergies. Alrighty, and my final product, this was actually the freebie. I think it was $49 purchases. You got this guy free. So this is a jar of honey. This is the really raw honey. And I saw this and I thought, okay, you know, it's a pretty good sized jar of honey. It's a pound. It's getting cold, everybody's getting sick, so I thought, you know what, I can totally use a jar of honey for cold and flu season. So anywho, that's what I picked up from Thrive Market, this most recent order. Just a quick, small little haul. I always keep my orders to like 49 or 69, whatever the threshold is that you have to reach to get the freebie. And I only make orders if there's a freebie that I actually like. Also, I will be sure to post back about the stasher bags for sous vide. And I will be doing some videos about sous vide in the near future. I think I'm going to be doing a sous vide turkey vlog for Thanksgiving. I don't know enough about sous vide to do like, hey, this is how you cook turkey sous vide. But I am planning on cooking a turkey breast sous vide for Thanksgiving. And I kind of want to just bring you along for the journey. So anywho, that'll be in a couple weeks. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.